Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. Now if you want to unpair your Apple Watch but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. Now to unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone, then make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone on a device. Now to unpair it, you need to simply open Watch app on a device. So this is an inbuilt app, so you need to simply open the Watch app on a device, and this is the homepage of Watch app. Here you will see various options on the bottom taskbar, and if you scroll you will also see various options. Now if you want to unpair this Apple Watch, then you need to simply click on the option of all watches at the very top left, and under that you will see the watch which you have added on a device. So if you are connected with 2-3 watch and you want to remove a specific watch, then you need to simply click on the I option, which is at the very right side of the watch. So if you click on it, you will see the name of the watch, the version of the watch, the model details and all. Now you may also find the Apple Watch by clicking on the option of find my Apple Watch. So if you scroll down, you will see the option of unpair Apple Watch, which is highlighted on red at the very bottom. So on clicking on it, you will see the option of unpair Isana's Apple Watch. So this is my Apple Watch name, so click on it and it may take some time. So after that you need to enter your Apple account password to unpair it. So after entering the password, you will see the option of unpair at the very top right of your page. That's it. That's how you can unpair your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.